packaging display, storage bag, test stripper, rosin, tweezers, pliers, tin wire, soldering iron head, electric soldering iron, disassembly, solder suction pump, braze iron frame, multimeter, manual, temperature wire, watch pen, plug-in for power supply towel mop, temperature adjustment knob, grey rotary button can be taken out, white spare knob inside, rosin. After printing is completed, stick soldering iron onto ponthericin, remove fitting wire, tin and electric soldering iron, tin circuit board, soldering iron head, replace the soldering iron head, rotate in stainless steel to a sleeve, remove a stainless steel sleeve and soldering iron tip, replace the soldering iron head of feed desired shape, return thin perv install pip set. Tin and colored circuit board, tin and flatted circuit board, horseshoe earth solder wire, solder suction pump. The solder and dissipation solder body can be quickly disassembled. Braze iron frame, their impurity ace on soldering iron head, clean it upon soaked sponge. Forceps, fine pointed forceps for more precision parts replacement. Pliers, fitterpuff mouthship, table dice tour, and it is to trim various electronic threads. 6-piece disassembly tool, use it to assist in soldering and repairing various circuit boards, round corresponding indenter. Square corresponding indenter. I cook. Cone. Square cone. Cotter. Cross 1. Cross 2. Brush.